What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys about my new editing setup, and this is also where I'm going to be doing my tech reviews at. And so I wanted to show you guys what this is all about and how I'm going to be using it. So this is 3 4K displays, so that way I can record gaming footage in 4K, and I can also record my IRL footage like this in 4K as well. The video review is probably still going to be mostly just unedited and just uploaded, but we'll see how that goes. But I want to show you guys something. This is kind of cool. This is a movable desk, and I want to show you guys something underneath here that I set up that's really cool. While we're waiting for the desk to go up, I'll show you my new PC here. This is my new editing PC. It's got a Ryzen 9800X3D, 64 gigs of DDR5 Viper 6400, and a AMD ASRock Pro R97 and 10 terabytes of SSD. Not exactly a cheap system, but it's definitely doing the job that I need it to do. So, what you're gonna see here is, you notice there's another PC down there on the ground. Now, I don't quite have it set up yet. I'm waiting on a KVM switch. But I'm going to have a second set up right there so that I can test all of my vintage systems that I've built. My vintage collection is done. So that's exciting. I need a KVM switch and I can start doing that. I've already got a, well, here, I'll climb under here and show you. Let me show you what's under the desk. So under here, we have a 12-volt on-off switch. Of course, that's the desk controls. We have a Taramps 800-watt 4-channel amplifier. We have a Dayton DSP-408 DSP. And that is all being powered by this server 1200-watt power supply. And then I've also got an EVGA capture card right there for 1080p 60 captures from these old systems. This one is a Ryzen 5800X3D I just got. And I believe it's got 32 gigs of 3733 and whatever GPU I want to throw in there. And this system is for testing my GPU collection. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with here. And let me show you what the amplifier is capable of here real quick. Let me find a good song here. No, not that one. There we go. Okay. So check this out, guys. This is cool. I've actually got too much power for in here actually already, because I've only got these little mica speakers and this poor subwoofer back here. Oh, I can't get under it. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. And stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing some testing of video cards, testing of older systems, playing games on them. I might be doing some audio reviews and stuff now that I have a decent amplifier in here. We'll see. I do have a Dayton 4-inch subwoofer I want to test. I might do a review on that. But stay tuned, guys. I will be doing some more tech reviews, and we'll see you guys in the next one.